back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create subtitles instantly in Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create subtitles instantly in Descript, then all you gotta do is simply tap open your Descript. Once you open your Descript AI, all you gotta do now is simply upload your video. You need to upload your video and let the AI transcribe it. Once it has transcribed the video, you can then use the dedicated caption panel on the right to select a style like mono or fancy, or customize fonts, color, size, and highlight the active word, which automatically applies them to your video based on the accurate text. So this way, if you're gonna do it, you can simply create subtitles instantly in Descript. You can also customize your appearance as well and export this according to your will. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.